Good morning, everybody. Hey man, Steve here once again. It is Saturday, August the 19th. It is a wonderful day today outside. The temperatures have dropped today. I think we're supposed to have a lower 80s or an upper 70s kind of feeling. And as you can see, that I have my window there open. The air conditioner is shut off, and I have my Patton rotary box fan plugged in. And this is getting to be my favorite time of year because fall is my favorite season. I happen to really enjoy the cooler temperatures. It's easier for me to be outside and do whatever I want to do. The heat is okay for me, but I always did enjoy the cooler weather a bit more. Also, not to mention, it's one of my favorite seasons of the year because this is when I get to use more of my fans. Also, not to mention that I can use them in the windows, which works well for me. But anyway, this is my 1980s Patton rotary box fan that you see here. The fan is working. The fan is working well now. I've been using this occasionally. It hasn't been in full-time use, particularly while I'm working in the kitchen, when I'm washing dishes or whatever. It's not much of abysmal as it was before. Not since I cleaned and repaired it. It seems like it's running well now. It's very quiet. Runs good. I have not bothered to take it apart since the last time that I did the last video of it. Other than that, it's running good now, and I'm very happy with it. I'm not exactly sure. Not too sure if these were ever used in Windows. I mean, I'm sure they were from time to time. It says that they were not to be used in Windows, but I find these to be the perfect exhaust fans, particularly for the way that it functions. And what is so unique about this fan is that, well, of course, that it has a rotating reel to it, is that the performance to it is even better than any other plastic box fan, even the oldest box fan that I had ever seen. Mainly the cheaper made box fans, and not too many of those that you're going to see in production today. This was something that was very popular, and that was being sold right around the time that I was growing up. I didn't see a lot of these growing up. We only had like one, and this goes way back. I mean, way back. And I think I remember seeing one right after the one that I knew at a flea market, and that was probably about it. And it wasn't until I was seeing a lot more of these ones that I thought that I never thought even existed. You know, there were the metal bladed ones. There were also the ones with the blue and the gray cabinets, and they look so cool to me. I just absolutely love the way these fans look. And that was the reason being of getting this fan, as well as it being a a childhood fan. And of course, this thing it'll be with me for a long time. Other fans that I may have, even, well, particularly the modern fans and the ones that I've had for a long time, something will happen to them and I'll get rid of them, I'll throw them away or whatever. But this and a few others will be with me for years to come. This is more or less of a collector's edition. Let me show you what I did to the back here. There was the back cover that goes over the motor, and basically what I did is that I just took some office tape and take that back on, and I think that looks pretty good to me. It doesn't particularly have to be perfect. Luckily enough that the plastic on this is not flaky, it's not brittle. Even though I still have to be very careful with this, because I really don't like taking this apart too much, because somehow or another those screws are a pain in the neck to get off. So I basically just have it, mounted with like one screw. But miraculously, it hasn't made any hasn't been noisy, since then. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fire this thing up now. Starting on the low speed. This fan is so much better to look at, such a sight to see from a window. That's exactly how I remembered this growing up. The very first fan that I remember in my bedroom window growing up. Actually, I don't think I ever had many fans in my window growing up, except for this one. Maybe a few others. This is also a good fan for smaller rooms such as this, much like even the basic window fans. Okay, now let's turn it up to the high. Seems to me the more you loosen the front grille, the more air it pushes out. It's just like it's spewing out in different directions. Like it functions like kind of like an oscillating fan, but more like an air conditioner at the same time, I may add. Of it running from the back. Okay, let's turn it off and let's get a closer look. Spin down is improved a lot since I oiled it and cleaned it. Sewing machine oil sure did the trick. See if we can get a startup sound on this. Medium. And now the low. Sorry, the high. Okay, everybody. Well, there you have it. There's my first actual demonstration of my Patton rotary box fan. It's everything as that I expect it to be. I cannot wait for fall to get here. I'm ready for this heat to go. And there should be maybe more fan videos than we've just been using more air conditioners. Not much of an air conditioner guy, to be honest with you. Really don't have the passion for them as I do for fans, but yeah, you know. Well, there you go, everybody. That'll do it for now. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.